Sharma here from Ravan 2.0 screener indicator. It's a new updated version of Ravan 2.0 and with more additional features which we have added, we'll discuss in this video. And this indicator works on all time frame, any time frame, any markets you can work with, and it's condition based indicator. So each and every trade you have to follow certain conditions to for entry and exit. Right. So first let's discuss this below indicator RSI and ADX 2.0 indicator. You can see here white candles forming over here. You can see what that indicates. That is RSI. This is RSI zone, 60-40 zone, gray area, right? And this blue line is RSI line. Whenever the blue line is in between 60-40 zone or 55-40 zone, you can adjust as well, right? Then you will be getting these white candles. You can change even the color of the white candles for safer side, right? If you want to this helps you for making your direction market entry accurate, right? For once the condition match, then and then only you have to entry or exit the trade. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you can go to the style section and just click on bar color, right? Once you uncheck, the color will be hide. But better if you highlight the color whenever if you are in a trade or if you want to enter in a trade, you can save from this. This is, you can see this here, this blue line is in between this zone and this all the signals are trapping trades, right? So you can save from these signals, right, by using this supporting indicator, right? So and this is the confirm signal. This is also confirm signal. You have to just check the direction. It's upward direction. Its ADX condition is also matching, and this multi-trend meter is so bullish. You can enter in specific trade. Okay, so now let's discuss the new features which I have added in this indicator one by one. Sorry. Now let's go to the input section. First, not least, first we have added the pivot points, right? Pivot points, super trend, this customization table, right? VWAP, auto trend and CPR. We'll start from below. First is super trend, sorry, support and resistance. Those who want to active support and resistance, they can check mark on this line, right? This is same settings will be on mobile, right? Once you check mark this line, the support resistance lines will be plotted on the chart, right? You will see the support resistance lines. These are the support lines, green, and this red are the resistance lines. Okay, so once the resistance break, this becomes support and this become resistance. Okay, so this is the support resistance line. Those who want to active, they can active and use it accordingly, and it comes with zone. If you do not want zone, like this is the main line, and these are the zones, lighter zones. If you don't want zone, you can uncheck it. The zones will be removed. Okay, so next is like I can say show TPSL. Those who do not want this entry target stop loss, they can uncheck this option, so SL and TP. By this this option will be hidden, right? And you can, the chart will be more clearer, okay, to you. If you want that, you can click on SLTP, it will become on the chart. This new advanced feature which I have added is ADX filtration, RSI filtration, ADX plus RSI filtration. What this works, once you click on this, let's say RSI, right? What it does, it only gives you the signals which is confirmed with RSI condition which I have explained. RSI, what is the RSI condition? If I get any signals in between, here we have added the level 55 and 45. So if 55 and 45 we get any signal, you will not get any signal on the chart, right? For buy condition only we have to look for 55. Above 55 look for a buy signal, below 45 look for a sell signal. You can see here this is a sell signal. It's here the buy signal has already removed because it's not in the range. You can see this buy condition is there, but there is a range bound market, so you do not have to enter in a specific trade. Okay, so this is the, you can see short signal with all conditions approved. You can also see here this is a sell signal, this is the buy signal with confirmed, I can say, entry. This is the RSI filtration. You can activate from the settings. Similar, if you want ADX filtration, you can active the ADX filtration. In ADX filtration, it's like if you see this green line indicates DI plus and red line indicate DI minus, right? If DI plus green line is above 20, you will get buy signal. Similar, in that case, DI minus should be below 20, then only the signal will be appeared. Okay, so by clicking on ADX, you can get the sorted trades based on ADX conditions. I always prefer normal because I do not want to miss any of the trade, right? I can You can just short the trades by using the supporting indicator RSA in this ADX indicator combination. So here already you can short the signal, so you can be safer in this specific signals and trades. Okay, so depends on you if you want to go with the confirmed signals, RSI shorting signals, ADX shorting signals, you can go with the same as well. Okay, next is dashboard, which you can see here, dashboard feature, which was already in the Ravan indicator. This indicator what we have made changes, like initially it was default 21 EMA. So here 20, if there is a candle above 21 EMA, it shows bullish, and if the candle is below 21 EMA, it shows bearish. So if you want to work on swing trading, right, people who are working on swing trading, they can customize this 21 EMA to 50 EMA, 100 EMA based on your requirement. Okay, so I mainly prefer 21 for intraday traders. So you can get the exact move, exact multi time frame confirmations, what exactly going on, buy or sell signal. So it will help you for better trading. Okay, so and this table is fully customizable. You can customize with the size. Default it will be tiny, as mobile users do not get the chart hotspots, that's why. So you can adjust from here, table size, normal, large, tiny, small, everything. Okay, and even the location of the chart, that table. Okay, now next is EMAs, right? Show EMAs. Once you click on show EMAs, you will get three EMAs: 7, 21, and 50. You will see on the chart, right, that help you for better sorting of trades as well. Those who are working on EMA, they can activate and use accordingly. If you want single EMA, you can customize from the style. You will, once you go to the style, you will see EMA 1, 2, and 3 accordingly, right? If you want only 50 EMA, you can just check mark the last one, EMA 3, that will be 50 EMA. So this is also, I can say the strategy. If you want to work on this, always go for a short signal if the candle is below and signal is below 50 EMA. If the signal is above 50 EMA, you can go for a long. Right, you can see this is the long condition is confirmed here, and EDX also given you the confirmation. This is the noise. You can see below short only, you have to look for a soil signal. You can see this is also confirmed signal. This is confirmed buy signal. This is a noise, right? So you can short your trades accordingly using this EMA option as well. Okay, so I am hiding this EMA now. Let's see the next feature. Next feature is previous day high low. Those who are price action based traders work on previous day high low breakout strategy. You can activate this. You will get three lines: previous day high, low, and previous day close. These are the previous day high, low, and close. Okay, so you can work, if you want to work, you can activate and use it accordingly. And this is the table which we were discussing in the group, in the poll as well, right? Those who want to use this specific table, they can just check mark on this ADX screener. ADX RSI DI plus DI minus value will be posted on the chart here. In some cases, people do not want to use this supporting indicator. You can go with this as well, but I mainly prefer this because with the lines we can confirm the exact direction, whether it's upward, whether it's downward, where the exactly lines are going, you can estimate. In this we can't, but those who are already using this, they can activate using this show ADX screener option. Once you check market, you will get it on the chart. Okay, next is buy sell stop loss funda. Let me discuss. Many of the people are asking this in the group. So stop loss default I have kept a point 0.5. You can customize it from point 0.5 to point, means whether if you are working on forex market, you can customize it from point 0.5 to point 20, point 10 as well. It depends on you how you want to adjust your risk reward ratio. In bank nifty chart, I have kept it point 0.5 and it's easily working there. So I have worked this as a supporting indicator. You can use adjust this stop loss as well funda. Okay, and as per price action, those who are price action traders, I mainly prefer work on the support resistance basic for profit booking zone. Do not work on this entry and stop loss is fine, but targets, if you are a risk taker, you can go till target one. But if you want as a price action trader, you can work with the support resistance zones, so you can book more profit, right? So I mainly prefer support resistance zone. I do not prefer this TP1, TP2, TP3, right? So this indicator basically works on all the market, all the time frame. You can mainly it's a condition based indicator, so you have to just match the condition for entry and exit. Now, this is a screener feature which we were already talking about. Those who are already old screener user, they know that default it was 8. I have converted it to 7. By clicking this pencil symbol, you can update the symbol. Like suppose it's bank nifty, if you want to add forex XUUSD, once you click on this, the bank nifty will be converted to XUSD, and the whole list you can update it accordingly. Now, if you want, if you are only working on this, like suppose one, two, if you are only working on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 stocks, right? And if you want alert only on this 4, you have to just uncheck the which alert you do not want and just save the settings, save as default, right? Make sure you update this chart and save as default. So according after that only you have to set the alert. That will help you for getting better trades on specific symbols which you are selecting. Okay, so you can see here CPR, show CPR option as well. Once you click on show CPR move, mainly people like narrow CPR breakout will give extreme move. Wide CPR have mainly indicate the sideways market range. You can see that there was a wide CPR. Once the wide CPR breakout, it gives the move, and even once you see the narrow CPR breakout, it gives the short move, very good movement. Okay, so those who want to work with CPR, you can work with CPR. Detailed video you can refer my YouTube channel. I already made the video on this. Okay, so auto trade lines, those people who work on auto trade lines, it comes with support resistance once only. Let me show you in 5-minute time frame for better results. It helps you to plot what will be the resistance, what will be the support in short term market. You can see it's a rising wage, declining wage, range bound, everything will be adjusted by these two lines, resistance and support, right? It change whenever the breakout, the line is break, it change accordingly and will show you the next possible trend. This is a trend confirmation. Auto trend lines, it changes based on the trend confirmation. Okay, so this can also help you for those who are price action traders can work on that. Okay, next is VWAP. VWAP is like well known volume weighted average price. VWAP strategy also works. If you want to go with VWAP, you can just activate the VWAP and go for the trades. If you guys got a buy signal on above VWAP, you can go for that. If you get sell signal below VWAP, you can go for a sell. You can work on this strategy as well, right? It's VWAP that just help you for dual confirmation for specific entry and exit, right? And also save us from trapping trades. You can see here. Okay. Fine. Next is super trend, right? That feature I have added based on some requirements. Some of the clients was asking for super trend feature. So default value I have added as 5. So just to have a confirmation, you can have a confirmation of buy and sell signals with additional confirmation, I can say. So those who want to work on this, you can work on that, and it's fully customizable, right? If you want default 3, you can add default 3 as well based on your requirement. And last feature which I've added is show pivots daily and weekly, right? Those who want pivot points, right? You want to work on pivot points, they can work on pivot points. Let me show you. It will come on the chart. So guys, it's an all-in-one indicator. No need to go anywhere else. It's all the features you will get in this indicator. Those who are price action traders, new fresher traders also help you. I'm just hiding the support resistance to get clear this zones. Just a second. So you can see these pivot lines. These are the pivot lines. Let me go to the 5-minute. It's very these are the pivot lines based on uh, daily and weekly. You can adjust it color and line accordingly to your need actually. So you can see here R3, R2, R1, these three are resistance. S1, S2 and S3, these are support for daily time frame, right? And weekly R3, R2, R1, weekly S1, S2, S3, these are the weekly support and resistance. So if you do not want weekly, you can uncheck this from your end. And if you want a specific, it's a dotted line, right? If you want a single line, you can click on this line, it will go towards the line. You can see these are the lines. These are the three supports and three resistance. Okay, so you can activate it as per your need. So this is also a good feature. Many of my clients were asking for pivot points, daily high, low. So you can customize it, and always make sure, guys, to save as default. This specific settings, whatever you do in the chart, adding the values and everything. After, make sure you save as default, and click on OK, and make sure you default save your template. You can see here, you can see Akar video, and below you can see the save option. Once you click on save, the same settings will be saved. So whenever you open same in the mobile or desktop, the same settings will be getting on the chart. Okay, so I'm hiding this show pivots option. Now let's understand regarding this alert function. What we are is customizing the alert function, how to set the alerts. Right, so once you go to this three dot, you can see, go to the indicator settings here, three dot you can see. Once you click on that, go to the set alert on Ravan screener. Right, here you have to set the expiration. Make sure you have to add the expiration date for getting the alerts. Right, you can see the expiration, it's currently May 24. You can go to the next month and you can find the next last possible date. You can see here it's 19th of June. I am clicking on 19th of June and clicking on set as this date. Once I set at the date, what this do, this indicator gives me alert based on the settings which I have uploaded. This the setting, let me create it first. This alert I already created. It will be giving me alert on this and these four stocks only. Okay, I will not get alert for NFT, SBI, and Reliance. I will get only alert for XUSD, XCL Tech, ICIC, and Tata Steel. So here you can see the alert which I have set it right now. This is the alert. Right, if you want to remove the alert, make sure you do the changes everything and then set the alert. Right, this is my premium account, so I have multiple alerts set it. So if you want to remove a free account, just remove the alert and remake the alert. Right, only single alert function is there in TradingView. So once you set this alert, you will get all the alerts and free TradingView account. It's main USP of this indicator. Okay, so how the alerts exactly comes, let me show you that. These are the alerts which I have tested earlier. You can see sell go triggered for ODIDA, XAUUSD. So this alert I got for XUSD, this alert I got for Euro USD. Buy go triggered, this buy signal I got for Euro USD. Buy go triggered for crude oil, you can see. Right, you have to read these, not Euro USD 5 minute. You have to read these. Buy go triggered for sell go triggered for crude oil, sell go triggered for Euro USD. These you have to read, guys. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this specific indicator. You can see this is the white candles, it shows you range bound market. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood now each and everything, all features I already explained. And again, like once you apply my indicator on the chart, you will get default like as like this. This chart no need to apply after setting the alert. As if you want to clear, keep your chart clear, you can unhide this. And once you go set in default, you will getting indicator like this on your chart. Let me, I have just reset it. How you will look, indicator will look, you can see here. This is a tiny mode. You can even, it's visible for me, I'm not sure for you it's not, but you can adjust it from the settings which I already explained. Once you go to the settings part, here down you can see here this one, tiny. Right, show dashboard tiny, you can set it as normal, as small, as per your requirement. Tiny I've kept for mainly mobile users. uh, Default I've kept as tiny. So if you want to work on system, you can adjust the timing accordingly. And this dashboard, table show dashboard, I have hide it because I do not require to keep on the chart. Once you hide that, it will help you keep your chart very clear. Right, so if you want, if you're working on system, if you want to activate it, you can activate it, no worries. Okay, so it depends on your requirement, but for mobile users, no need to keep these on the chart. Right, once you set the alert, alert will come automatically on the mobile via pop-up. You can see here, these are the alerts which I have got. You will get a beep as well when once the alert comes. Okay, how to apply indicator updates in future? Whatever I update, you have to just remove the indicator, go to the indicator section, and just reapply the same indicator again. Once you reapply indicators again, you will get the newer updates whatever I updated on the chart. Okay, so guys, I hope everything is clear to you. Still, if you have any confusion here, you can find my direct number, you can call me anytime. I'm here to guide you each and everything. Okay, and still, if you have confusion, feel free to talk, and any suggestion also, I'm here happy to work on that as well. You'll find my number in the scrolling text here. Okay, thank you, thanks for your time, thanks guys.